Hi Divya.
Hello, sir.
Once
How are
again,
you?
nice to meet you.
Yeah, same
God
here.
bless
Same.
you.
Yeah.
How's the business?
This is going fine, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you something. I was like my mom. No, she's
Yeah.
going through so many medications. All other medicines I understood, like omeprazole, this thing, digestion का वो सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. This came up new. This is something magnesium sulfate or
Sulfate.
something.
Yeah.
So I was not able to find out why it is. I forgot to ask the doctor also.
Doctor,
And you're the right person to ask. You must be knowing this, no?
So magnesium sulfate, also known as Epsom salt, and in Konkani it is also called meat bhairi.
Arre.
It is
Okay. Meat bhari means throwing out
yeah.
salt from the body.
No, not
Yeah.
throwing out salt from the body, throwing out waste from the body. Okay. Most commonly used for swelling purpose. If there is any kind of inflammation, swelling, no.
Yeah, she used to get it in her feet and all, and the legs sometimes. and-
Swelling,
yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So maybe doctor must have advised her to put this salt in 1 liter of water and soak her legs or hand.
Okay.
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 Magnesium sulfate has lots of uses. Did she had any swelling?
Yeah, yeah.
So
She has.
doctor must have given her to reduce the swelling. Did doctor tell her how to use it?
I don't know because I was not there that time. I did a mistake. Otherwise, I would have asked him
Okay,
that.
okay, no problem. What she has to do, she has to just take half a bucket of lukewarm water,
Okay.
put this full packet in it, and let her soak her hands or legs. So what happens basically, this salt reduces the swelling. Okay, swelling, inflammation. This is a wonder drug to reduce inflammation, swelling. It is also used for varicose vein pains.
Achha.
People with
Oh,
varicose
yeah,
veins
yeah.
know it pains a lot.
Correct,
For
correct.
that also it is used.
Achha.
Okay. So this is also used for stress management. For stress management,
no?
yeah, really good. What people take 1 bucket of lukewarm water, put 2 packets of this, and have bath. It
In a
will-
bucket?
In a bucket. In a bucket, you have to put this and have bath. Okay. Okay, it will give you very good sleep at night. Okay. You can try. Okay. And so even if there is swelling at one part, glycerine mixed with this salt, if you apply that paste, then also it will help.
Okay. Okay.
And no, this is also a stomach cleanser.
Arre wah.
Yeah,
Good, no?
in 1 liter of water, lukewarm water, if you add this salt early in the morning, drink it sip by sip by sip, slowly.
Not at a time.
No,
right?
not at a time. Sip by sip, slowly. It will cleanse your intestine.
It's like actually like a detox. It is.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
detox it. It is really good.
Good.
Okay, so I think so. Basically, doctor had given her to reduce her swelling.
Okay.
Okay, but it has so many uses.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Good, I asked you, told
Yeah.
me. I remember in Goa, the old people now, once in a year they go to the sea and they dip their leg
Dip their legs,
and sit.
yeah.
Even those people who cannot walk now, they'll take them in the chair and make them sit.
Exactly. Now who's doing? So we have to do this.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, Baba. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Yeah, thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.